burn 'em. Smoke it up.
Hello babes, welcome back to my channel. I'm Deenah, and as you can see today, well, in this channel you just never know what you expect with me, and today I am driving for the first time. I'm 24 years old. I know I look pretty and I look like I have my life together with my Persian cat and my really dirty apartment, and I don't. I actually don't have a driving license. I don't own a car. I am living off men who want to drive me places. So yeah, come with me and let's learn how to drive. It's about time, you know, I'm about to turn 25. Got the airbags already, so why not just learn how to drive? Keep watching. So, first of all, we're gonna go get the goods. By the way, this is my cousin.
We need coffee in.
I know, I feel like coffee is a must right now. Just because, I mean, I'm not there yet. I need the extra confidence to be able to try it. I've never drove, however you say that, in my life before. So, you know, someone could die.
Someone's gonna die.
Someone's gonna die. Oh, I think the camera's gonna die first. Hola, una pregunta, ¿venden café frío?
El helado café solo.
¿Los vasos en plan rollo Starbucks o no?
No.
Vale. Vale, pues entonces caliente también. I feel so bad that I'm wearing no lashes, you guys. I hope you don't mind that I'm looking rough. Oh my gosh, you're so skinny. I want that body.
Okay.
Oh, is that big?
I think so.
That cannot be big, honey. I've seen bigger things. He's a bit steady. Where have you been? Yes, bitch! Get into it! I got it, bitches! I got it! Yes, bitches! Chocolate vanilla swirl with cookie crunch, please! Ayo. Qué lindo! Coffee tastes like poop. McDonald's coffee, Gran Canaria, not recommend. It's a bit of a rocky road. He's leaving, no?
I think so.
No, I think I'll be fine there. I can just go.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so close to your house. I would say come over, but like, Gabri's gonna teach me to drive, and I feel like you would put your safety at risk if you came this way. So like, stay indoors. If you hear people screaming, don't come out. It's me. This is what we're seeing anyway, so we're gonna try this, you know. That kind of sounds like my ass. That sounds like my stomach after dairy.
Vamos a switching positions.
Switching my positions for you. Just a quick sip. Ay, 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 que se me olvidó que había cosas ahí. Espérate.
I'm a potato.
I'm a potato. We're in. I can see my wig. That's cool. Okay.
Vamos a empezar con la clase. Primero que todo, esto se llama freno de mano.
There's people. Okay.
La palanca de cambios.
Esta es la palanca de cambio.
Sí.
Okay.
Vale. Y ahí debajo tienes a la izquierda del todo el embrague. ¿Vale?
Izquierda.
Sí.
This.
Sí.
Okay.
En el centro,
Freno.
el freno, muy bien. Y a la derecha, el acelerador. Ahora no tienes ninguna marcha, está en punto muerto.
¿Y tengo que meter alguna marcha para moverme?
Exacto.
La primera.
Exacto.
Y es así.
¡Bimba!
¿Sí?
Sí.
She already said, I'm the teacher. Frenar es a la
El
en
centro.
medio.
Pero cuando quieras frenar tienes que pulsar a la vez el embrague. Porque esto no es automático, es manual. Vale.
Girl, you need to update.
Entonces... Fuerte, fuerte, más fuerte. Venga, tú puedes, señora.
¿Perdona?
Y tienes que poner la primera.
Yeah, so.
Sí.
Yeah?
Vale. Ah. Vale, ya está. Ya nos estamos moviendo.
Oh my god, okay.
Venga.
So I can.
Ahora, pulsa el embrague hasta el fondo y frena. Pero bien, 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 eso está bien.
I did it, we stopped.
Now we're gonna go on reverse.
Reverse. Reverse. So it's the same, just
The other way.
embrague and then number 2. Like.
Nope.
No? Oh, what
Oh
happened?
yeah, it was.
It was?
Yes.
Oh my god. It's like a penis, kind of.
Okay. So we are moving.
Is there anything behind? There is.
Yeah, but you can go, no problem.
I feel like quiero tirar tortuga.
We are on Mario Kart. Venga. Un poquito más. Sigue.
So crazy.
Embrague a tope y frena. Muy bien.
That was good.
Muy bien.
Princess Daisy got nothing on me.
Ahora vamos a intentar dar una vueltita por ahí hasta allá afuera.
Pongo marcha 1, primera.
Primera, muy bien.
Y voy suelto el freno y suelto el embrague lentamente.
Venga. Venga, sí. Un poquito de acelerador. Y el embrague. Muy bien.
Okay,
Gira
okay.
por delante un poquito.
Oh fuck, oh fuck. Pues giro para allá.
Sí, claro.
What about the trees?
Venga, gira un poquito ahora para el otro lado.
Para el otro lado.
Sí.
Oh my god.
Venga, sigue. Dale más fuerte.
my God.
Volante.
Oh my god.
Embrague a tope y frenamos un poquito.
Oh my god, that was too much. Ugh. Okay, I'm figuring it out. One sec. So, I would turn this way.
Yeah.
That would go that way.
Yeah.
And then I'll be facing that way.
Yep. You're not convinced.
I'm not convinced, but I think I got it.
Okay.
And now slowly.
Turn it this way. Yep. All the way, all the way. Keep doing it, keep doing it. Yeah, girl, keep doing it. Now, yep. Y acelerador un poquito. Okay. Frena y embrague.
Oh my god, that was fun. I think I have it. I think so. Okay. Yeah.
We're going, oh my god.
Oh my god, that's so fun! So I'm gonna park in 3, 2. Vroom vroom. That was fun. Okay, wait.
Now
so
take
now I
the-
can do this,
Yeah.
this, and I go.
Yep. Woo! Party, 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 party.
That was intense. So I feel like the class for today is gone. It's done. Let me know if you guys like this video. If you do, we can make some more. I feel like there's still a lot that I have to learn. I feel like this has inspired me and I should actually take driving lessons. And
You should have a pink car.
imagine me with a Barbie pink car. I feel like I should drive a Tesla. I think I'm either a Tesla or a Jeep type of girl. Or like
BMW.
a white. Yeah, I was gonna say a white BMW.
That's it.
That's hot. Well, yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video.
You
If
already
did-
have the airbags.
Oh my god, I could never die. This is like my self-protection. My wig has really not been cooperating with this video. Anyway, if you guys like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for the next one. New videos every Sunday and Thursdays. So I'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.